You bet. When I say I need you, you say you better. You bet. When I say I love you, say you better. You bet. Okay. BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. Name and Wangdom. Oh, my new goo. Yeah. Looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so uninspired until the day I met yous. Life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind. Anyway, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And over here is Michael Lyons. How you doing, DG?
Oh, I'm great. How are you?
Not too bad. So today, I was thinking the Ojibwe word of the day should be?
What's that?
Gagwaanisagenim. Disgusting. I was just thinking about this. Gagwaanisagenim. Gagwaanisagenim. It's disgusting. If you're gonna pick your nose, that's one thing. That's okay. That's gross. Just do it in your own time. Yeah. If you take that little booger and you put it in your mouth, Gagwaanisagenim. It's disgusting. Kids, you can't be eating your boogers. I mean, I didn't think I had to say this. But, people aren't raising their kids right. I used to work at a print shop, and the boss made me really nervous. He was kind of cranky, and, he intimidated me. And then one day I saw him dig in his nose, pick a booger, put it in his mouth, and eat that booger.
Hikes.
And I lost all respect for him instantly. I was no longer afraid of him. I could hardly even respond to him. I was like, oh, you're gross. Yeah. Who eats boogers? Some people do. It's probably a mental illness. I don't know. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Take it away, baby.
Oh, me glad, Sweeney Moose Shane. Thank you, sweetheart. And yeah, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. That was quite an introduction. And you're right about eating boogers.
Yeah.
So gross. And you know where I think it starts? It's this time of year when people start getting runny noses. And they don't want to wipe their nose on their glove. They just lick it. And then that turns into developing a taste for boogers. It's so gross. Yikes. Gagwaanisagenim. It's disgusting. So yeah, let's just call that a show, huh? Today is the Ojibwe word of the day. Gagwaanisagenim. It's disgusting. And you have been watching BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. We're having a New Year's Eve party.
Yeah.
On New Year's Eve, December 31st at 11:30. We're going to do a live stream on YouTube. So come on over and join us. And thank you for watching. Miigwech Kanawabieg. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again. Gagwaanisagenim. Oh, what?
Oh, what?
Oh, I forgot to put Stephen on. Stephen, do you want to say hello? Hello, everyone. My name is Stephen A. Leon. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. How was that, boss? Oh, you did just good. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Want to help me with this, Natasha?
Oh, you know it.
Okay. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like a flower. Ooh, na, 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Let's dance, fear your grace should fall. Yeah, let's dance, for fear tonight is all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's sway. You can look into my eyes. Ooh, let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. If you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like a flower. Let's dance, oh yeah, baby. Let's dance. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's dance under the moonlight. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. Ooh, yeah, yeah. All right. And you have been watching
BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO,
a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again.
Gagwaanisagenim.
Minawa. Hoa.
Hoa. All right. Na 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 na. Ooh, in a blue. All right, let's see what that looks like.